Hi, welcome to Math Challenge. Today we are going to look one of the geometry problem. The problem is if the length of each side of a pentagon is the same odd numbers, then the pentagon's perimeter could be. So we have four choices here: 310, 365, 666 and 864. Anytime when you solve a word problem, all you're going to look is the keywords. So if you look at the first clue, so they have given the same, the each side is of same, so that means it's a pentagon of same side, so that means it's a regular pentagon. So that's our first clue. The second clue that we have is like each side is an odd number. So when they say odd number, so length of each side can end with so one of these five numbers: 1 3 5 7 9, whether it's a single digit or a two-digit number or a three-digit number, whatever it is, it has to end with one of these five numbers. Our next clue here is we know it's a pentagon, so that means like the perimeter is going to be a multiple of 5. So if the number ends with 1, the perimeter must end with 5. If the number ends with 3, the multiple ends with again 5. So if you look at it, all the odd numbers, any odd number if is multiple of 5 is going to end with 5. So 5 times any odd number always ends with 5. So with that, now if you look at the fourth choice, 310, no, the only option that we have is 365, because that's the only number that ends with 5. So with that, we are able to solve this problem. Now, what if the question was instead of odd numbers, it is an even number? Still, you can do this same technique. Here, the length must end with one of these five, either 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. That means 0 means either it's 0 or it's a multiples of 10. So that's what I mean here. So that means the perimeter is again a multiple of 5. So it's going to be 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20. So as you look here, all these multiples are going to end with 0. So what we get here is 5 times any even number always ends with 0. So now if you look at the choice, the only number that we have that ends with 0 is 310. So the perimeter, in this case, the perimeter of the pentagon that they are referring here must be 310. So with that, we are able to solve what if it is an even number. When solving every problem, so we can use some of these tips and tricks that I'm going to talk now. So here, since we were dealing with the pentagon, regular pentagon, let's look at some of its properties. So the regular pentagon, as we all know, all five sides should be equal. The all interior angles, so when I say interior angle, that's the angle between any two adjacent sides, is 108 degree. So how we got the 108 degree, I'll try to cover in another video. And all five exterior angles are, so when I say exterior angle, when you extend this line further, and then the angle between the another side and then the extended line is called exterior angle, which is nothing but the supplement angle. So 180 minus 108, which will give you 72, the same as you see here. So which is nothing but all the sum of all the exterior angles in any closed shape is 360 degree always. So if you sum it up all five, it's going to come up to 360. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.